it smell like? Is it good? Mommy waited all day or all vacation for this. How is it? Yummy, right? Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. We just got done eating. We had like a little breakfast with the cousins, Daryl's cousins on one side of his family, and the kids and I just came to this bridge because close by is actually a bathroom where I had to take Cadence. She had to go into one of these. This is the good old potty she has to work with. Give Jayden a kiss.
Oh, big eyes.
Oh, kiss.
Big eyes.
Give him a kiss.
Oh, the nose. Kissy.
Oh, so sweet.
Oh.
Ah. First you gotta clean your feet. Hi, ladies. Okay, now you gotta take it over there to the boys. Careful, bring it to the boys. Ah, chicky chicky. Are the chickens talking to you? Say hi, chicken. Don't put your finger too close, though. Because they might bite your finger. They'll say, "Oh, is this food?"
I'm picking eggs.
This one looks spooky. Maybe he'll bite you. They're so cute. How old are they? Do you know?
1 week.
1 week old? 1 week old little chickens. Run, run!
Chicky, chicky.
Careful. Oh, little chicky.
He is careful. Can I pet him, Grandma? I want to pet Grandma. Grandma, I want to pet it. He's very careful. Grandma, now can I pet it?
Hold it, hold it.
Oh.
Oh, well, yeah, just be careful because I think they might drop it. Oh, they're so cute.
Cadence, hold it.
They're a lot more cute when they're just out of the egg.
There's a little
Yeah,
one.
because they're tiny.
Yeah.
Can I try one?
Probably you'll have later on. You have to open the middle bit more.
Oh,
so
sorry.
maybe one. Probably I'll open the other one maybe right now. And one there, small there, so fluffy.
Now they're getting their big boy fur.
See, look at the little feet.
See how big they will go.
Somebody's saying Dada. Vander, where's Dada? Where's Dada? Can you say Dada? Da. He's like, what you laughing at? Xander. Da. Oh, be gentle with Kiki. Da.
Say mama.
Xander, mama. Can you say mama?
Mama.
Dada? Or Dada? Mama? Can you say... No! Say mama, not Dada. Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh. So it is still the morning. Let's see what time it is exactly. 9:27, and we have quite the predicament. Daddy said the kids could play outside. There was a little bit of mud, so Daddy said they could play in some mud. What Daddy did not know was that they were going to play in some mud. So let me just show you what's going on at this point. To recap a little, I know that Cadence threw some mud at Jayden. He was upset about it, so he retaliated. He did a pretty good job at retaliation, and now both of them seem to have become quite comfortable with said mud. So they have decided to become one with the mud. And I'm kind of crying inside, kind of proud that they're having a childhood memory moment right now. So, mixed emotions for sure, but this is what things are looking like right now. What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
Look at my hands, they're all clean.
Wowie wow. How did that happen?
Now my hands are all dirty. See, my hands are dirty.
Who did it?
Mine.
How'd you get so dirty?
Because I wanted to.
Oh boy. Alright, bye you dirty kids. So naturally, it is probably going to be bath time soon. But aside from that, I mean, I did not know we had that planned for today, but we have to go to a dentist. Daryl has an appointment to get a tooth fixed, but then Jayden actually broke a part of his tooth off last night. And so we have to go figure out if we're going to have to get that tooth pulled or not, because it's a baby tooth, and Daryl's going to hit me with the car. And yeah, so dentist appointments today. I'm gonna go to Cayo, which is the same town we were at the other night. I don't know if I recorded any of it, but we went out for dinner with some friends the other night at Cayo, and yeah, that's the same town we're going to, so maybe I'll record some snippets if I'm going. I actually don't know if I'm going to the appointment or not, so maybe I'm speaking too soon, but I'll catch you guys up to speed a little bit later. From his nap. It's our Kiki. While he was napping, Kiki and I ran to the store. We ran to my friend's health food store to go get some medicine, well, kind of medicine for the kids, because I've noticed that they have some like minor symptoms of a cold. So we got ourselves some elderberry liquid, which we're gonna try.
Can I try?
Yeah, I'll get you some. Can you get baby his bippy? So we are just gonna nip this cold in the butt because I don't want it to get any worse. It's Kiki and I and Xander here. Daddy and Jayden are at a dentist appointment, which I know I told you guys a little bit about. But okay, wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Jayden had a tooth that was
Mom, I
decaying
can open it. I can open it.
that I noticed a couple months ago, and we took him to a holistic dentist, and that dentist pretty much said like that we don't need to do anything to the tooth unless it bothers him, because it's a baby tooth that's gonna fall out anyway. But last night when we were at a family gathering, his tooth chipped off and broke, chipped off, whatever, broke and fell out of his mouth, and so he has like a little gap now. So we made a last minute appointment for him. Actually, one of Daryl's aunts gave us her dentist appointment, which was very nice of her. And Jayden is there now, and I haven't heard what they decided to do with it. I'm not sure if that dentist was gonna say we should pull it or if we should just leave it alone. But I just don't want to leave it and then like it get infected or something happen to it. So we'll see what will happen to that. But if I haven't already showed you guys a picture, I'll show you what his tooth looks like. Hey, be gentle, okay? Daryl was also getting an appointment at the dentist, so we're just hanging out here, enjoying the rain, the smell of rain, and might hang out with friends in a little bit, but I'm not sure if we will before dinner. Dinner, we're gonna go to another couple's house, another family, and so then we'll be busy for the rest of the day with that. Hey, careful, he doesn't like when you squeeze him tight, okay? So that's a little bit of what we've been up to today. Not much, it's kind of a slower day, but still sort of similar to our other days where it's like we've been hanging out with a lot of friends and family.
Are we going?
I have to get a teaspoon, I think.
Teaspoon?
Steepoon?
I know those.
A teaspoon. Should we find a teaspoon? Let's let Xander sit down by himself. This little dude, not only did he say Dada this morning, but he's a big guy and he can sit on the floor all by himself, which is crazy. Although it makes sense because in 2 days, no, tomorrow actually, he'll be 6 months old, this little guy. Or maybe I should say big guy. You want to show them how you sit?
Maybe I have 1 spoon. I like 2 spoons.
2 spoons?
Yep, I do. I will have 2.
Alright, I will pour it for you because we don't want it to make a big mess. So here, come over here. Look at this big
I
guy.
need 1 and then 2.
1 and 2. There you go. That actually tastes pretty good. How is it? Good? Tastes like candy. Whoop! Are you gonna make yourself sit up again? Sit up again? There you go. Here.
Well, the baby.
He's such a big boy sitting by himself, huh? Whoa! There you go. Whenever he sees I have his medicine, he gets so excited. Watch this.
Mom, I got paper out.
What's this? What is it? What is it? You want some? You want some? You want some? Oh. Good job. Yummy. Does that taste good? Kiki has medicine and you have medicine.
Me and Xander,
Mm-hmm.
we both have medicine.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good job, baby.
Good job, baby. Good job, baby.
He did it! Yay! And just in case you guys are curious, this is what he was just taking. You love your brother? Oh.
Buddy, here I go, boo. Here I go, boo. On Saturday night.
Is Kiki dancing for you? What's she doing? Can you say Dada? Can you say Dada? Just chilling.
Saturday night.
I was just taking some time not too long ago to go through those boxes which has more of our keepsakes and stuff, and figured now that I have a chance where I'm sitting down and not doing much, I'd give you a little update on Jayden and Daryl, because they just got back from the dentist about a half hour or an hour ago. Daryl was able to get his tooth fixed, which is good, and the dentist pretty much said Jayden's tooth she would eventually pull, and she would put a bridge or something in it, over it. I don't know. I don't know dentist lingo. But basically it's not something urgent that we have to take care of, so we're probably just going to wait till we get back home, and then we'll go to a dentist that we're familiar with and figure out what he recommends we do. So for now we just have to kind of take care of it, make sure that he doesn't get an infection or anything, so that's where we're at with that.